Press 1 if you can hear me. Press 1 if you can hear me. Type 1 if you can hear me, guys. Type 1 if you can hear me. Check, check. Can you guys hear me? Can you guys see me? Awesome, awesome. Checking. Others, guys, others. Can you please make sure that you are able to hear and see me correctly? Okay, awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Just give me a second and we will start right away. Okay. So, hello guys. Welcome to the final day of the Gen AI workshop, which was 5 days. We are so glad that you are here and you are one of the few people who have made it till the end. So, as events go, there is a gradual decrease in participation as we go from day to day. So you are you are some of the only people who have managed to come to this last day. I hope that you guys have learned every something from this workshop. You guys have probably some people would have learned something totally new. Someone who knew something would have just got a revision. So many things. So I'm glad that you guys are here, and today would be the last day of this workshop. We are going to a couple of announcements that the feedback form will be shared to you in between the meeting, in between the session, at any given point of time. You have to fill it to be considered for the certificate. Apart from certificate, the most important thing is that are you learning something from this event or not. So if you are not learning, then please make sure that you go through this, ask as many questions as you can in the chat. Deepak sir is going to answer each and every one of those questions. So are you guys ready for the event so that we can get started, or shall we wait? Press 1 if you're ready. Press 1 if you're ready. I know there's a little bit delay, so I have to wait before I get an answer. Waiting, 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 waiting. Come on, guys. What is this? Come on. Okay, if you don't want to send anything, that's okay. Are you ready for the event? We are going to start in just 10 to 15 seconds. All right. So with that, Deepak sir, you're gonna be on screen now, and everyone have a great last day. Make sure that you learn, ask as many questions as you can between the session. Fill the feedback form at the end of the event. It will be open only for 5 days, 5 minutes. So with that, all the best. I will see you at the end of the session. If you have any questions regarding the event, I will be there to answer them. All right. With that, over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. So let's start. Hello everyone. How the things are going on? Uh, how many people has been started working on it? Do anyone have any issues, any problem that they are facing related to the building the things? So please go ahead and do ask in the chat. I'm here to answer, so that will be good. Okay, no questions. That's a stretch. Okay, so I do give the brief overview what we have been done so far. Okay, so let me share my screen to save the bandwidth. I'm going to off the camera. Okay, let me share the screen. Okay, So yeah, so it's visible. I think if it's visible, please press one. Yeah, it's visible, I think. So let's start. Okay, okay, let's do it. So we saw prompt engineering, RAG, LangChain, AI clone, okay, and evaluation, different LLM models, open source model and closed source, how to access the open source using Grok, together AI, okay, together AI, and what else? We saw TrueLens, okay, Streamlit, different prompt and different prompt styles, okay, all approaches are available there. We saw vector db, okay, so they are the chroma, okay, and quadrant. We also look at this. And what else, yeah, uh we saw how that we are going to be use proper costing, latency, okay, and accuracy. That's the important factor when you are working in any Gen AI solution. Okay, and what else? We saw yesterday knowledge graph. Okay, and my bad, Neo, yeah, 4Z graph tool we saw. Okay, so this is the most of the things that we have been covered so far. Now there are a few things fine tuning. Okay, I will give the idea of that. Then AI agents. This is the two things that's we are going to cover today. And everyone just heard about the what is like AI agents, and everyone want to be learn about it. Everyone want to be see how well that we will able to build our own AI agents. So before that, we'll see what are the difference between this AI agents, prompt, and RAG. Okay, so this is a very good image. Mostly I use this one, so that will give you the good understanding. So prompt means like when you are just putting any particular question or the query to your LLM model and you are getting the answer. Okay, without context. There's no context between it. So in that condition, it's known as simple prompt engineering. Okay. And if you are adding your context, okay, you have your own knowledge base that we have been seen in the previous videos. Okay. So in that condition, it's known as a RAG, because in that particular condition, what's happening? You are creating your own chatbot on your private data. Okay, with the combination of the prompt as well, and you are giving the context, so that's known as a RAG. Now we'll talk about the agent. So what's the agent? So when you are adding your prompt, your data, okay, and apart from that, sorry, oh, apart from that, you have the memory and the tools and reasoning. How I will give you the glance that as well. So you have the prompt, then you have the context. Okay, this is let's copy this, copy image, we'll go here and I will explain it here. Oh, that's fantastic. Okay. Yeah, that's working. Okay, so let's change the color. Yeah, that's okay. Zen mode. Okay, yeah, so this is a prompt. Okay, so you have been given the prompt. After it you will get directly answer. Okay, if you have been given the context, that means the knowledge base. Okay, that's the meaning of the context. Okay, so with the combination of this two, when you are giving this to the LLM, then you are getting the answer. Now if we talk about the agent, so what the hell is the agent is? So So when you have the memory means data that you are saving into your DB. Okay, whatever the conversation that we are going to do, so that means the memory. Okay, so this is how that's its work. After that, tools. So here tools means external. I will use this one. So yeah, so external. Okay, I can say Google search, okay, LinkedIn search, okay, weather information, okay, latest trends, okay, whatever that you are going to use it. So that's the known as the tools. That's calculation tool. You can use the calculation tool. IIT tool, okay, calculator. So this is the way that we are just saying ki we have tools access. Okay, we have the tools access, and with the help of this we are again getting the data. That's it. Take example like prompt. You have the given the prompt of the mathematics scientific calculation of the given particular mathematics. So in that condition LLM is not comfortable for that particular thing. Okay, so what we will do, we will use the our own a scientific calculator which is available in the market, and we will integrate with our solution, so that will going to be use it. So this is okay, so this is done. Memory, okay, this is memory done. Now tools. After that, if we are getting the answer and answer is not accurate, so what will happen in this condition? If we will take the this particular approach, so in that condition what you have to do, you have to be you have to be manually validate the answer. Okay, and after that you have to update your prompt. So this is how that is working in this particular two condition. But in agent this is not what's happening. In agent that's a very simple and straightforward. You are giving the answer to the reasoning, or we can say the reflection, or we can say the feedback. So whatever the answer that we are getting after all this combination, okay, all this combination, I can add this as well here. Okay, so KB is also here. Okay, and answer is not perfect, so what you will do, you will give to the reasoning, and on the basis of the reasoning we will give back to our LLM. So this is how that's the things happening. So the only few things are changed, which is one is reasoning, second it's tools, and you can access and you can put the memory in the RAG as well. So mostly reasoning and ability to think one more time if the answer is not accurate, or the criteria that you have been given in the prompt. If you given something criteria that this answer should be work in this particular category, okay, or work something like this, so in that condition what will happen, answer will be checked again by the different LLM that has been configurable. Okay, so this is how that you can build your own agent. So that's the only thing. Okay, there's a nothing more than that. So you don't have to be worry key agent will be work, this agent is very super duper like kind of the complex things. No, nothing is there. Okay, so this is how that's is work. Now we'll see few more examples, so you will able to get to know. And there's one more agentic RAG. Okay, so I will give you the that glance as well. So RAG versus agentic RAG. Okay, so yeah. Okay, limited autonomous primary chatbot knowledge base complex. No, it's not nicely. Yeah, multiple agents will be there, and you have the access of the tools. Okay, so that's the most of the, as you can see in this one. I think this is a good image. Yeah, so you have the available functions or tools that you can be say function, action, LLM, retrieval. Okay, and you have this AI agent solution. This is your prompt, this is your layer. So you have the call functions or the different functions that you are calling, and you are getting the results out of that. So on the basis of that it will give you the answer. If the something is not available, then it will go to the proper tool and give you the result. So this is how that's its work. Got it? So I will try to search. Yeah, this is good one. Yeah, let me share this one. Oh, this is too small. Okay, yeah, let me open this. See, query retrieval re-ranking. Re-ranking means whatever the chunks that I am getting, I will re-rank it and see what is the top three chunks are available or we can be used related to the query. That's it. Now if you talk about the agentic RAG, so in that one query we will analyze the query, okay, and then if it is not available, the particular data is query is looking for, then what we will do, we will use the particular web search, and on the basis of that we will go for the relevant and the generation and all these things. Okay, so this is how, that's the basic difference, that if agentic RAG is there, if your RAG is accessing the tools, okay, so that's totally means as the agentic RAG, and with the help of the reasoning or the reflection, if you are doing, then we can say that is the agentic RAG and AI agent. An AI agent is simple, like where you have the proper uh, control that you have been given to your system, where it's going to be do the other things and fetch the data and all these things. Okay, now what are the tools are available to do it? Okay, so let's talk about the tools. So there's a Crew AI. Okay, so this is one. Then it is Fire Data. Then LangChain, LangGraph from LangChain team. Okay, then Llama Index agents are there. So mostly people are using this one. So we go step by step here. Okay, so let's see Crew AI. So multi-agent platform, you can go directly and use it. So that will be the, like you can use, and there's a no code low code platform is also available. Okay, the fastest growing multi-agent platform. Yes, lot of companies are using it. Okay, so this is one. If you want to be do the lot of use cases is already available here, so that will help you understand it properly. Okay, and it is open source. You have to go to the GitHub, just click on open source. Okay, so GitHub is there. See, so 25.2K. Okay, so everything is available. I will show you the simple code, so that will help you to understand how the things are working. See, so here they are building the latest AI development crew. Okay, so researcher is there, reporting analyst, research task, reporting task, and then we have the crew. Crew means the person or the crew who is managing all the tasks. So that's the definition of the crew. There's nothing else. Okay, and if you will see, AI agents are there, process task. I'm giving you overview because that's going to be another workshop. If you want to give me a confidence that you want to be learn the AI agents, then I am happy to do one more workshop on the AI agents totally, where we will build the AI agent from the scratch. So now I want your side, yes or no, or 1 or 0, whatever works for you. So I will wait as there is a delay of the 15 second. Okay, yes or no. Okay, 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 yes, 3 yes. I think only 3 out of, okay, 14 people are there. Okay, so I think we will able to do. Okay, so sooner we will give you the that information as well, as you are interested, so we'll give you that as well. Okay, so that's great. Thank you. Okay, so now go back to our discussion. Okay, so crew AI is there. Now if we talk about fire data, okay, so fire data is also there. Again, how engineers build AI agents, multimodal agents. So there's a legal agent, finance, your, again this is also open source, 18.1K. Okay, so everyone is using. Yes, again very simple. This is a web agent, so you can create a web agent in 10 lines of the code, web search, so all these things. Okay, so why not we'll try right away and see how it's work. Before that, I want to check it out. So do we have the model? Okay, what model are they are supporting? So model. Okay, let's go to the, are they supporting grok or not? So this is their document. Okay, so model, so we have grok, that's great. Okay, so this is agent id. Okay, okay, example web search. Okay, so we'll do the web search. Okay, so let's copy this. We'll go in our notebook. So we already have our notebook. Grok API is already available here. So we'll import this one. Okay, and the code is here. Let me go back to there. Give me a bit. Copy. I will install it. Okay, fire data and all these things. So I will install OpenAI fire data. I don't need OpenAI. I need Grok. So Grok is there. Now we'll change with our code. So model Grok. Uh, this is how that we. I'm just also trying with you guys. So I don't know how it's going to be work. How well. So okay, Grok. Let's try. Okay, llama has been no longer available. Okay, no issue. We'll remove this one. So let's try this. I think this is also not available. Yeah, what's happening in France? Oh, wow. See, so nice. With the few line of the code, we have been created our first agent. What is happening in France? DuckDuckGo news, business news, energy, finance, social. So congratulations, guys. We have been created our first AI agent with a very basic lines of code. So if you want to do much more on this one, you don't have to worry. You have to go here. Okay, an example. So finance, shopping, recipe create. So there are a lot of things already done by their team itself. So we'll take their example itself. So that will make our life easy. Okay, finance agents, what's it's going to be do? Summarize the, yeah. I think this is good one. Let's copy this and it will give us the latest data. Okay, so what's happening? Just copy this. I will replace this to this and see what going to be happen. Summarize analyst recommendation for NVIDIA. So see, let me know if you know other. Okay, what is the current value of NVIDIA share price in rupees? See, 147. Also in, oh sorry, my bad. What is the value of the Nvidia share price in rupees also and USD? So 11,000 is this, and since you have the current stock, yeah, I can help you. Rupees the current is 1 rupees, and this is okay. So now go and check it out how perfect the data is. So Nvidia share price. Oh, it's bingo. 147.03 USD. And what we have been received here, that's the same, I think. Isn't it? 147C. So this is a power of the agent where they will going to be fetch the data of the current market trends and what's happening in the world, so which is not available in the RAG. You don't have the access of the real time. That's why people are using the agents and do all this uh nice, like do all these things. Got it. Now if we'll go back on the fire data, okay, finance agent is there. Now let's try python agent. Oh, reasoning agent, C. Data analyst agent, C. So okay, let's try this. Copy, share this tab. So you all have to create all this kind of the stuffs. If you are going into the company, no one else is going to be do. So your job always be the secure. You don't have to worry about it. Okay, so most of the people are worried now, so you don't have to worry. So see, let's see how the things will work. So okay, what's the issue? Fail to please adjust your prompt for details. Okay, data analysis. Do I miss something? Do I have to be install something? No, no. Data. Okay, let's try one more time. To data analysis to dot print response. Show me the histogram of the. Show me the. Fail to call the function. Let's try one more time. Yeah, it's running now. Sometimes it's happen. Show table, describe movies. To create a histogram of the, I need to retrieve the rating. Okay, has a tool to call the table. So they are C. They are doing automatically. You don't have to do anything. What's the query? So show the histogram of rating. Choose appropriate bucket size, but share. How do you choose it? Show me the result as pretty ASCII diagram. Okay, so let's see. See, select rating, count star as from movies group by rating, order by rating. So data is here. See, count is in the star, bucket size was seems to be reasonable. Okay, so see, this is the way that things are happening. So you don't have to worry about like what to do, how to do. You have been given the table, description, and path. Everything has been sorted out. Got it? So this is the power of the agents. Anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. We are going to try some more examples. So let's go for the Python agent. So what is going to be do? What is the average? No, it's not good. We try something else. Research, text to image, Discord, firewall, popcorn pal, agent that recommend movie, that use knowledge base to agent that interact with the questions your fire data do. Okay, it's not good enough. So image, uh okay, that's we need. Okay, open AI. Okay, structure output is also there if you need a proper agent for that. This is for where you need a. So this is all about the agents. Okay, do anyone have any questions on the agents? Like, as you can see how easy to build the agents, like with the simple line of the code. Okay, so do anyone have any questions? Cause till that I will open. There's one thing that I want to show you how we are using agents in our company. Okay, as we are building the world largest generative AI workforce, so we are also heavily using we are heavily using generative AI in our company. Everything is mostly managed by the our like agents and other things. Okay, so yeah, one more example. Yeah, so I'm going to give you the real example that's currently happening in our company. Give me a bit, I am opening that URL. Okay, so let's start. Okay, share this tab. Yeah, so as you can see on the screen, we have been created a crew OpenAI, sorry, a crew AI, okay, library, and whatever the tweets happening on my Deepak Chawla's Twitter accounts is done by the agents. We are not doing anything. Okay, you can go and check it out. I will show you that as well. Okay, so how's the things are working over there. So go to my Twitter account. So see, 14 minutes. See, this is happened 14 minutes back. Okay, and as you can see, I am with you in the call 8:19 p.m. So I am with you. So it's not going to be possible that I will be on the two different space. No. So all this happening, whatever, as you can see, is done by our AI agents. I'm not doing anything. I'm not putting my time here. We created the agent for that. So how we create, what we create, so we are going to discuss for that. So we have the manager agent or the master agent, and master agent have the access of my own thoughts of the data. So I have the data where I have been integrate my WhatsApp. Okay, my WhatsApp application with the my knowledge base. Whatever the data and whatever the thoughts that are coming in my mind, I'm just putting on my WhatsApp, and once I will submit on the WhatsApp or chat as in the chat manner, it will go into my database. And this master agent is going to be take all that thoughts from my knowledge. Okay, and after that, once it will going to be take, so I already give the proper explanation. Okay, key what type of the tweet I need, either thread or the tweet. So that will analyze what is the thought type is tweet. So thought Twitter agent is there, and again thread Twitter agent is different. So that will analyze the thought, create the tweet, and if required, then it will go on the internet. Okay, and scrap it and summarize again what the thread. And once it will done, then it will give to the our one more agent, which is trending topic researcher agent, that will again do all the things that necessary to make it much more better. Okay, once it will be done, then all this data go to the our content creator tool, and then content creator agent, not tool. Okay, content creator agent will create a trending with the help of their own prompt that we have been given. And this is a way that we are creating the tweets. When it will be done, then we are supplying this one to our a function that we have been created, and on the basis of that, it will post on the Twitter. In the post, it will post on the Twitter. So this is how that we automate our crew. We automate our Twitter platform, and soon we are working on the LinkedIn as well, and it's coming soon. So this is how that we are working. And if you also want to be participate in this one, then you can be the uh, check it out our platform that anyone can be joined. Okay, you can be upskill yourself. So you have to go and start with your interview. We will create your HiDevs score, then level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till the job preparation. We will upskill you, so you will don't have to worry about the job. So that will going to be, you will go to be get your job very easily. Okay, we have the talent pool. So whatever the people who are doing very best, so they will able to get a very good job in our from our talent pool. Okay, so this is how that's the things are working. Okay, and one more thing that I want to highlight here, that whatever the students or those who have been enrolled in this workshop, they have to do our project, build your own clone. They have to apply here, they have to submit here, and after that we will take your 45 minute of interview, and that interview will cover your skills, how well that you are, and also we will give you the how ready that you are for the industry. And after that you will get a chance to spend 30 minutes with me, and this is all that we are going to give. And it is mandatory to each of the user who is going to be do all these things. So that will be only eligible, that person only eligible who will do the project. Other people are not eligible to get a certificate. So please do it, so that will be helpful for you as well. So this is how that's the things are working. Now we'll talk about the fine tuning. Okay, so what is the fine tuning all about? So basically, if we will go a particular image or say the fine tuning, so that's very easy. Okay, so we already have been trained a particular model using the pre-training. Okay, where the large amount of data that we have been given, then we create a base model. Once the base model will create it, what will happen? You don't have to give the large data. Okay, you have to just give the small data. Just give to the small data to your base model, and your fine-tuned model will be ready. That's it, nothing more than that. See, this is a model, this is the train new model. Once it will be done, then you have to give the few data, okay, based on your use case, and you are ready to complete your fine tuning. And there are a lot of ways are available in the market, which fine tuning method that you have to use. That's also is not generic. You have to go and you have to try it out and figure it out by the research and the learning, which one is the best for me. That's the only one thing that you can do. So this is how that you will able to take a privilege of the fine tuning. But fine tuning is not going to be uh, necessary to each of the use case. You have to go and explore it. Okay, and you have to then decide which one is the best. So this is a way that you will able to take a decision. So don't always go with the fine tuning, always start with the prompt engineering, rag, improve rag over the time if needed, external tools and all this thing, then only integrate the agents and try to improve on this one, a particular project, rather than creating the different project. If you will able to create a single project very nicely, where you have been implemented most of your approaches, techniques, I bet you will get a job. Getting my point? So this is how that's it's happened. And if you want to if I will show you what's our roadmap when we are going to be give you the learning of the particular like levels. So what you are going to do, what you are going to be learn, so you will learn Python, obviously, GitHub, text driven development, Linux basics, networking, environment setup, okay, and then DSA. So this is our level 1, and after that web technology. So this is our level 1. So this is what that we are going to giving all this learning to the all the people who are coming into our particular like roadmap journey and upskilling journey. And you have to create projects for that as well. That's not a big issue. Okay, that's not an like this one. After that we will talk about the generative AI, different LLM model, prompt engineering, introduction to RAG, loading unstructured data to building knowledge base that we talk about, chunking, indexing, advanced RAG, routing, knowledge graph, okay, evaluation techniques, and debugging. Okay, so this is that we are going to do. And what project? Again, I told you, build your own clone from the different data sources, then add memory implementation in your own clone, then routing and knowledge graph in your own clone. So that's what that we are doing. We are not giving you the multiple projects. No, this is not the best way to upskill anyone. What I believe, it will be always be subjective, but I believe stick to the particular project and try to improve it over the time rather than creating the multiple projects. Okay, after that you have to implement the evaluation matrix, debugging using agile, deploy that particular project on the server. We have the GCP AWS credit, so we are giving all these things to the our students. After that, once you will complete this level 2, level 3, again deployment, and level 4, it's on your choice what the particular project that you want to be take from our website. And once it will be done, then level 5 will be come into the job application, LinkedIn profile enhancement, resume design, interview preparation, professional behavior, and job database. All these things that we are going to give you. So this is a way that things are happening in our company. So this is a way that we are upskilling you and yourself. Okay. So I think no one is doing this systematically, and the projects and number of days, resources, everything is available. Everything. So you don't have to worry about on this particular area that how we are going to do. And one more thing, this is not going to be static. No, as you can see, here's the number of days. So this is all dynamic. And how it's going to become based on your interview. So whatever the interview that you are going to be request for, and then once you will done your interview, then what will happen? On the basis of your knowledge, we will give you the number of days here, and on the basis of that only you will spend your time over there. So that's why I am like saying from a day one that whatever is available in HiDevs is not available in the particular edtech, any particular edtech company, that we are totally personalized roadmap. So whatever the roadmap that you will get, that's totally personalized. It's not going to be same that anyone else is just getting. Because nowadays what happening, AI roadmap, like Gen AI roadmap, just go and the Google it. So I will go to the Google Gen AI roadmap. Just search it. I think you will get a lot of the roadmap, but you confuse which roadmap is the best for you. That's why we come up with the 100% personalized roadmap that you have to be use it. Okay, and that will be totally based on your, as you can see, this is example of like, I don't know whose roadmap it is. So Python 1 month. You already know Python, then there's no need to be learn the Python. Okay, if you don't know Python, then we will give you the understanding of Python. If you already know RAG, then why just giving again the learning of the Python or the RAG or the AI agent? So that's all be going to be figured out in our 45 minutes of the interview. So you don't have to go here and there. I will bet you will enjoy it. Go with the start with the interview. Request for the interview currently is totally 100% off, as a limited time offer is there. As you can see, 100% personalized, free, limited 45 minute. Why? So AI powered assessment, industry aligned. Why industry aligned? Because I have the 10 years of the experience. So you can able to grab that, and we have been put all these things on our platform. So with the help of that, you will get the industry ready. Okay, so who can apply? Students and job seekers both can apply easily. Your journey to success, request interview, AI interview, roadmap generation, upskill yourself. So this is the beauty of the our platform, and most of the things has been done by our AI system. So if I am building the generative AI workforce, so that's my responsibility to make sure most of the things should be run by the my run by AI in my company or in my tool. So that's the things that we are doing. So now floor is open to the projects, or sorry, how to get good and unique projects ideas. So unique and projects ideas, I will refer. No need to be work on the unique and project ideas. First, work on your own clone. Build your own clone and try to make something better for yourself, where you can say that I am now going to be automate myself. Whenever someone want to talk to me, they can talk to clone. So don't focus on to go for the different projects. What I suggest you personally, and that will be always be the same advice that I give to everyone. Take any single project and give your at least 3 months. Apply all the logics, all the concepts, whatever the available in the particular either Gen AI, data science, machine learning, deep learning. Just put it over there, and then you will able to get a good learning. Your focus should be the good learning. Got it? Can I get an internship just based on the skill required? Yes, you will get an internship. I will give you the internship if you will going to be the in the top 10. So that's how. And please extend the submission date. So submission date is, I think, till Sunday. Okay, submission date to of the project is, submission date is Sunday, 11:59 p.m. IST. So it's the coming Sunday. Okay, so that's the submission date. So you have to submit before this to get a certificate of this bootcamp. Any other questions? So you can access the platform from here, hidev.xyz, and if you want to explore the website, then you can explore the website as well. If you want to go to directly to the platform, that's also available. So this is how that you can do it. Okay, anyone have any questions? Please go ahead. And if anyone want to talk, then they can do a lot of, yeah, sorry, I forget to say what I'm saying. Okay, I think that's it. No questions is there. Okay, so that's it from my side. Best of luck. I am always available on LinkedIn. Okay, so you can feel free to reach out to me. Okay, and if you have any doubts that, sir, I could not attend the third day except I will able. Yeah, you can be get a certificate if you will complete the project. That's not an issue. Okay, go and complete the project. Okay, attendance is a one part. Okay, I can believe, but submission of the project is a one of the critical thing. If you will not complete the project, we will not able to give you the certificates. That's the single thing that I want to highlight here. Thank you, Anjana. Yeah, that's it from my side. Anyone else? Yeah, so I already given the answer of how to get a good and unique project ideas. So I will suggest stick to the single project or idea, and where I will say build your own clone. That's the one of the biggest thing that you can do. Thank you. And if you want to go into the deeper of the, okay, all these things, so what I suggest you, let me share my screen. This is our website. You can go and explore it. Okay, so everything is available here. Okay, now if you want to go to the, so this is our YouTube channel, HiDevs. You can go and check it out. HiDevs is there. So this is a proper playlist is available. Gen AI program cohort 1. Oh, sorry, my bad. Yeah, so this is a list. Okay, so you can go see everything has been whatever we have been talked till now in a brief. Everything is in the detail, so you can go and check it out. If you want to go into the GenAI workshop, so here the GenAI workshop is there. Data science bootcamp, if you want to learn the data science, then the data science bootcamp is there. uh GenAI bootcamp, again GenAI bootcamp is here. So there are a lot of content, you can go and check it out. Okay, then I think that's it from my side. Thank you. Let me stop my sharing screen, and best of luck. Good luck.
Hello. I am back. Please let me know if you can hear me. Press 1 if you can hear me. Okay, awesome. So with that, thank you so much, Deepak sir, for the amazing session that he had for 5 days. I hope you guys learned a lot of things. Of course, there's a project which you guys have to do, and about the registration link. Uh, Sorry, not the registration, the attendance form. We are gonna send to you in just 1 minute. It's about to be sending. So just hold on until we share it. Our team is gonna share this with you. Having said that, let's talk about a few things. That just give me a second, guys. I'm sharing the link with you. Yeah. So a couple of things. First of all, about the event. I hope you guys were able to understand what the event was. I hope you guys, this event made you at least 1% smarter than you were 5 days before. If it did, please make sure to tell us. Uh, Please make sure to suggest what type of events you would like Code Social to do, so that we can bring on amazing guests and conduct workshops. This is all free. This is all on YouTube. You can come and watch everything you would like to watch before, whenever you want. Just subscribe to the channel, and after the event ends, after this live ends, there will be the comment section. I want you guys to just do one thing. Tell us how was the event. Just write 5 stars, 4 stars, 3 stars, 2 stars. If it was 5 stars, thank you so much. If there are less than five, let us know that. If it is less than 5 stars, let us know what how could we improve on it. Having said that, on the comments, please suggest what we should do. What are the next events that we should uh, create, and it should be regarding which type of topic. All right. So just a second, sharing the registration form with you. It will be open only for 5 minutes. Only for 5 minutes. So make sure you write everything soon, and only the people who have attended these events are gonna get this. No one else. Obviously, that is something that I should not say, but just in case people are not sure about it. And with that, one more thing, that if you have missed one class out of the 5 classes, if you have missed one class, we will still consider you for the event, for the certification. All right, so that is not going to be an issue. I am sharing the attendance form with you. It is going to be open only for 5 minutes. I hope you guys can see the attendance form. Yep, it has been shared. With that, thank you guys so much. If you have any questions about the event, please let me know right now, so that we can clear it up right now before going anywhere. Any questions, any type of questions, concerns that you have after this live ends, please go and comment on the YouTube channel, on these um, videos, the live videos which are going to be recorded. Okay, so any questions, just let me know. And in the meanwhile, I'll just play some little bit of music in the background, just because, why not? Okay, a topic which I think is very interesting is about AI and creativity. Oh yeah, that could be actually a very interesting topic. That AI and creativity. How can we use AI to enhance the creativity? Because to be honest, the whole conversation around everyone right now is that AI is killing the creativity among people. So is there a scope in that? So yeah, that could be a good event. Thank you so much for suggesting that. We can try something on that. Anything else, guys? Okay. With that, let me just confirm if we have started getting the responses or not. Okay, yeah, it's getting the responses. It is going to be open only for 5 minutes. And with that, thank you so much for joining. I am Kushagra, the co-founder of Code Social. Thank you so much, Deepak sir, for conducting this workshop. Do check out Code Social. The link is mentioned everywhere. bio.link// Code Social. We're just gonna spam it in the chat as well. To check out Code Social, follow us on Instagram, follow us on LinkedIn, follow us on Twitter, everywhere. And if you have any questions about the event or anything, join our Discord server. It is also in the same link. You can go and check out the Discord server. We are there. You can ask the questions directly to me, to the entire team, and we will be able to help you promptly. All right. So with that, thank you so much for joining today's session. I hope you guys have a great day. Please, after this event ends, comment on the stream how was it, and which other event would you like to have. All right, with that, thank you so much. Bye bye.